Alright guys, here we
Whoa!
go! Vekoma Mega Blitz!
Oh no.
Look at this bar off to the right. Look at this bar. We're looking at on the flat ride.
That's cool.
You can eat up there and just look at the park.
Look how close the coaster goes to the building.
What do you want to sleep right there? Look, it says be kind.
I don't know. I mean, yeah, I would want to. I'm sure no one else would want to sleep right there. Like, hello, it's on their bed. Whoa! Oh my God, the knees. Oh, that was good.
It's really good. This bar kind of is.
They need to build more of those. That
Wow.
was really good. Oh. Yeah.
Want to do one more?
Yeah, I'll pay again.
See what he does.
Beautiful.